guys, and today's data on the for project flight. Today we'll basically be going over everything we've worked on for the past year or so. We'll be looking at the modelling improvements, redesign UI, the brand new aircraft physics, and also some new features and optimizations.
Hey, it's Tristan, the lead modeler of Project Flight. Firstly, we completed reworked Gatwick from the ground up. We looked at real-world references and Google Maps data to construct a much more true-to-life version of the airport. With the use of custom PBR textures and optimized meshes, we're pretty happy with the results so far compared to the current Gatwick. We even went as far as modeling each paving slab and imperfection on the taxiways exactly where they are in real life.
This looks so good.
We're also bringing back London City, now enhanced with new parallax textures and more detailed 3D style interiors. Additionally, we're extending our use of texture atlases on the airport fields to improve resolution and achieve better performance at the same time. Alongside the addition of London City and the new remodeled Gatwick, we added lots of new airports to the United Kingdom, these being Cardiff,
Whoa!
Bembridge,
Come on, do Manchester.
Land's End, Bolthead Field,
Oh!
and Carnarvon.
Whoa! Oh my god.
Hey, it's Coco. I'm part of the modeling team here at Project Flight. For
That
Update 9,
looks so
we built
good.
the environment around the UK island. The main focus was making it feel a lot more dense, while still keeping it performant for low-end devices. We made custom models for a few of London's notable sites,
That actually
those
looks
being
so
Westminster, the London Eye, the Shard, and Canary Wharf. Another airport we're adding for Update 9 is Madeira. Using real-world terrain data, we tried to reconstruct the real elevated runway and
This looks
scenery
really
as
good.
accurately as possible.
I
This
can't wait
airport
to
comes
try and
with a
land
new
Madeira,
set of
how good
textures and a
that
parallax
went very well.
interior. It also comes with a new, highly accurate tarmac model with almost every real-world detail being added. We're also adding Fairbanks to Update 9. Located on Alaska Island, this airport will replace Catilla as the brand new snowy airport for Project Flight.
Could you turn that down a second, Grandma, please?
This airport will feature brand new snowy textures for enhanced realism.
Hi, it's Sam. For Update
Only
9,
for a few
I've been
more
working on the brand
Well,
new
that looks really
Alaska
cool.
Island. The focus with these islands has been trying to implement important landmarks whilst keeping true to the scale of Project Flight. And using new techniques, we've been able to push fidelity and resolution further than we ever have before. Also in the works is the new UK island, producing a larger and more detailed terrain.
Wow.
The A320 has been completely reworked from the ground up. Using much more accurate references and improved modelling techniques, we managed to make the Airbus way more true to life. We also elevated the texturing on the 320, with many of the rivets and panel lines being exactly where they are in real
Right.
life. As
Well, you
before,
don't
a
land
shark
when
foot
playing
and
Microsoft
wingtip
Flight
fence
Sim.
version will be available. Anyway, I'll leave the rest of the modelling improvements for you to discover in Update 9.
Hi, I'm Head of Script. I'm responsible for the UI revamp for Project Flight Update 9.
Oh, that
From the
UI
ground up,
looks
we
really
designed a new look and feel for Project Flight, a new design language that defines and makes Project Flight unique.
good. Ground crew.
Today, I'll showcase some of our
Carino.
new changes to the UI, from the main menu to the server hopper, new aircraft selection and HUD. We've completely revamped the main menu to include a more central and easier way for players to get right into flying. The server hopper has a completely new look. You can now
Wow,
access
that
the
is
full
such a
server
good
list across
change.
all servers with information ranging from the server region, player count, and the active ATC within that server. Here's a new look for the new aircraft spawning selection menu. With the new airport selection part of spawning, you
This
can now
looks so
see which
good.
airports have active ATC. Additionally,
And we've got
the new
registered
date
for
selection
it.
now allows you
What
to
the-
zoom in
what?
and select
Oh
your
my
chosen
God.
gate. Here's a look at the new HUD. Just to note, this is an
That-
early preview and
this
things will
update looks
change for the
really
final
good.
update. Off the bat, you can see an overall refresh of the interface. To start off, the minimap has been updated to show other aircraft positions and your active flight path. This will be heavily customizable. We've also
This
refreshed the
actually looks
design
really
for the
good.
throttle, speed, altimeter, heading and much more. A new addition to this update is weather. On the top right you can now see the weather at your current location and an indicator of the direction of wind and the speed.
George, I've just
Clicking
sent you
tab will now
something,
open
on
the
TikTok. It's
updated menu.
my stream.
Here you can see players in game alongside the aircraft name and flight number if set. We've also updated the design of widgets.
Like, this actually looks really
Hey
good.
everyone, Kurdish here.
Wait,
For the
we've
past
got
year, me, Linus and
physics.
Hidden have been working on reworking the entire game's codebase. This allows us to create and push out better and more fun updates such as career mode or ground crew. I've been personally working on the aircraft side of Project Flight. Through a lot of pain, time and effort, here is what to expect. Reworked ground handling, reworked aerodynamics, fly-by-wire flight controls,
wow.
weather-based wind, reworked speed perception, and a brand new sound system. Here is a preview of how these
This
physics
actually
will
looks
work
so
on an
good.
aircraft.
I can't see my screen. Wow, this actually looks so
Update 9 will introduce winds with our latest physics model.
Whoa.
Here is a short preview.
Oh, that actually looks so good. I know, yeah. That actually looks so good. How have they done this in Roblox? Maybe not.
Update 9 will provide a more ambient and environmental feel to the game. Aircrafts will have distant sounds in the environment. And also aircrafts with supersonic capabilities will be able to provide a supersonic boom. You will be able to turn this off in the game settings.
This actually looks so good. Is that the end? No. Features.
We are now using Roblox's streaming enabled feature. This will make the game way more performant and allow us to use Roblox's upcoming features such as Slim Model and Server Authority. These will allow the physics to run at a stable frame rate and provide a smooth experience no matter the client's performance. Lastly, we're adding some quality of life features. For example, every server will have its own unique sun and moon phase. These phases are based on real world server locations.
Wow. That's actually cool.
We're also adding some new weather particles which will blend into the new physics-based weather system and look much more
Them
realistic.
clouds look so realistic. Oh, George, Aaron Rains is in the chat. You do not know who that is. He's got like 2 million followers. He's that guy who hates Ptfs. Oh, Swiss 001's in the chat as well. Why is he there? Bruh. That was really good.